summer is here, and what better way to cool down and refresh than with the top 5 summer juices and drinks? From tropical delights to classic refreshments, we've got the perfect list to quench your thirst and keep you cool all season long. I'm excited to dive into our top 5 summer drinks that are not only delicious, but also super easy to make. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the watermelon slush. This drink screams summer with its refreshing taste and hydrating properties. All you need is some fresh watermelon, a touch of lime juice, and ice. Blend it all together, and you've got yourself a perfect summer cooler. At number 4, it's the classic peach iced tea. It combines the sweet, juicy flavor of peaches with the robust taste of iced tea, making it an irresistible summer staple. Taking the number 3 spot, we have the coconut water mojito. This is a tropical twist on the traditional mojito, using coconut water for a hydrating and exotic flavor. Mix it with mint, lime, and a splash of rum for an adult version, or keep it non-alcoholic for everyone to enjoy. At number 2, we can't forget the mango lassi. This creamy, dreamy drink combines ripe mangoes with yogurt and a hint of cardamom. It's not just refreshing, it's a flavor-packed treat that's also good for your gut. And at number 1, what could be more quintessentially summer than a glass of classic lemonade? It's simple, tangy, and endlessly customizable. Just mix fresh lemon juice, water, and a sweetener of your choice, and you've got the perfect drink to beat the heat. Here you have it, our top 5 summer juices and drinks guaranteed to keep you cool and satisfied. Whether you're lounging by the pool or hosting a summer party, these drinks are sure to be a hit. Don't forget to stay hydrated and enjoy the sunshine. Cheers to a refreshing summer!